Hi everyone, thank you for watching my little life. In this video, I'm going to introduce my experiment using Dylon hand dye. In another video, I used Dylon machine dye, and then generally I recommend machine dye more. It's just simply easier, less hassle. Also even could be cheaper, thinking about amount of the dye and salt you have to use. The reason why I'm interested in hand dye is because hand dye can use for the wool, whereas machine dye cannot use for the wool. Here I got white jumper, 100% wool. I like this because it's very good quality, but color is getting a little bit strange. So I wanted to make it completely dark navy color and renovate it. Let's see what's happened. So firstly, you have to soak clothes. As you see here, I'm using entire bathtub, also empty plastic big container. I think both of them worked very well. Then add 250 grams of fabric per packet. Jumper I wanted to dye was over 250, so I decided to double up. To use dye, I put 2 of them into bowl. Then add hot water. Then dissolve it. Now prepare 6 liter 40 centigrade hot water and add 500 gram table salt in it. Then after, pour the mixture. Now add fabric in it. Instructions said stir 15 minutes, then stir regularly for 45 minutes. I just wonder what does it mean. So eventually what I've done is stir for 15 minutes and then wait 45 minutes and did this routine for 3 times. I have to be honest, I'm not sure if it was right or wrong, but it worked. And it was a really tough job. Keep stirring by myself 15 minutes constantly this. It's highly recommendable wearing navy color t-shirts like me because it's getting quite messy while you are stirring it. Then throw away all the dye water. Start rinse the clothes. Following the instruction, I used cold water to rinse it. Eventually, I found it is easier to use smaller buckets and doing one by one. It takes quite long. You have to keep doing it until you almost not having colored water, and then it seems like never ending. After it's rinsed enough, wash with detergent by hand wash, as usual way with hot water. Honestly, I skipped this process to see how it's looked when it's dry, and wash just before I actually wear it in the usual way So here is how it comes out. It's actually worked perfectly for this jumper, and I'm very happy with that result. However, for these kind of t-shirts, it was pretty difficult. As you see, I got uneven patterns and marks. So honestly, eventually I decided to dye again with machine. It's happened in the similar way for this t-shirt as well. I hope you enjoyed the video and you find it's quite useful. If you are interested, please check my other video about machine dye. Thank you for watching, and then see you in the next video.